and my name is Lynnis Woods-Mullins, and I am a certified holistic living and wellness expert for women over 40, and also the founder and creator of Wellness Woman 40 and Beyond brand, and also V.I.B.E Living brand. And I am excited to be a part of this awesome program, Emergence of the Total Woman, a blueprint for creating and living a life that you love. Let me tell you a little bit about my part of the program. It's been my experience over the last 10 years that we have some things that are very common. One of them is that we are totally stressed out because we've been playing so many roles for so many years and we're tired. The other thing is that we're not getting enough sleep. Sometimes it's because of menopause, sometimes it's because of stress, or it could be a plethora of other reasons. But the bottom line is we're not getting enough rest. Another thing is that we have a tendency to have problems with focus and memory and concentration. And we also want to figure out, how do we stay motivated to make a change when we have so many other things that we need to do? Well, my part of the program addresses that and gives you not just tips, but a true blueprint of how you can go about creating a life and living a life that you truly love by making some incremental changes in your everyday lifestyle. And I'm very excited about it because Dr. Shelley Neglow has another part of the program that is awesome. Dr. Shelley, tell us a little bit about you and your program, which is just your part of the program, which is so awesome.
Hi, Lynnis. I'm so glad to be a part of this with you. It is truly my honor.
Thank you.
Now, I'm Dr. Shelley Neglow. I'm founder of Power of Women seminars, and I've been training women for over 30 years to create a life they love. I've noticed over the years that women are so good at taking care of everybody else, aren't we?
Yes.
We're so good at the roles that Lynnis, you and I know that intimately.
Yes. Absolutely. Every day we're playing different roles and helping different people. And the problem is that many times we forget about ourselves.
That's right. And what does it mean to be a whole woman? You know, what does it mean to feel good with who you are and feel good in your skin? I call it having it all. We aren't the sum total of just the things that we do. We are magnificent with who we are already. So learning how to tap into your innate power, I actually will teach you step by step, not only how to let go of the things that stop you from feeling good about yourself and from producing the results you really want to have, but also I'll give you a step-by-step guide to producing extraordinary results, both personally and professionally. And isn't that what we want? We want to have our lives be with ease, without all that push that we are engaged in every day. And I'll tell you, it is so important for us to be able to feel good with who we are, because we're the gift to everybody else we support. So join us, emerge with us as a total woman. I am so excited to continue to work with you with this because it is absolutely extraordinary.
Yes, it is. And you know, I was just thinking as you were talking, we represent between the two of us over 40 years of experience of working with women. And I think that that is a huge benefit because we have worked with a lot of women and we have a good sense of the things that you really care about, especially in midlife. I'm in my 60s and I can remember back in my 40s and 50s, I realized that I was really slipping in terms of taking better care of myself. You know, I was trying to eat right and exercise, but I'm talking about that other stuff, those extra little things that we need to do so we can stay vibrant, so that we can continue to push and do the things that we're really excited about. And the thing about it is that the best time to really pursue your goals and dreams actually is in midlife. Hopefully by that time your children are getting older and you're getting more settled in your career and, you know, things are not as hair on fire, like it is in your 20s and your 30s. When you get to the 40s and 50s, you got a better sense of self. But sometimes you need that little extra to be able to really leverage all of those years of experience and all that wisdom you have within you to really get to a life that you love. That is why Dr. Shelley Neglow and I are so excited about this, because we've got the blueprint. We actually have the blueprint that will be designed especially for you so that you can have and live a life that you truly love. Go ahead and look on the page to find out more information and click right there to register, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you during this whole transformation process. It is not just an emergence, it's a transformation. It's definitely an aha moments that are going to happen. You're going to get a chance to vibe with other women in our Facebook group. So we're excited to watch this metamorphosis, this emergence of you, the total woman, and creating your blueprint for living a life that you truly love. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.